Hi, I am Dr. Eli Kolberg from Unlimited Robotics. This is one video out of six about electricity source, and in this video we'll talk about the battery, the first part. Most of the batteries contain three basic components: electrodes, electrolyte, and separator. There are two electrodes in a battery. Both are made of conductive material but have different functions. One electrode is called the cathode. The cathode is connected to the positive potential end of the battery. This is the place from which the current leaves the battery during discharge. During discharge, the battery is in use, supplying energy to any load in the electrical circuit. The second electrode is called anode and is connected to the negative potential end of the battery. This is the place to which the current enters the battery during discharge. Between these electrodes and likewise inside them, there is the electrolyte. We will define a molecule. A molecule is two or more atoms connected by chemical bonds, which form the smallest unit of a substance that retains the composition and properties of that substance. We will introduce the term ion, which is an atom or molecule with a net electric charge due to the loss or gain of one or more electrons. The electrolyte is a liquid or gel-like material that contains electrical charged particles or ions. The ions merge with the electrode's material and by that create a chemical reaction. This chemical reaction allows the battery to produce an electric current. Another component is the separator. It is responsible of the separation between the anode and the cathode inside the battery. Without the separator, the two electrodes would be in contact with each other. This would cause a short circuit and will prevent the battery to function properly. Next figure presents the battery structure. We see the battery components. Cathode material is inside the inner of the battery. The anode is a material that is close to the surface of the battery. There's external cover, and we have the separator between the anode and the cathode. Those are the components of a battery. Thank you very much for being with me in this video. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.